Hey, what I have here is a replacement stainless steel high flow muffler from the axle back. It's a 4-inch double wall quad tip exhaust for your Porsche Macan. I put this on, I mean, within an hour, all the pieces fit very well. It lined up with the exhaust hanger. The exhaust tips are really nice. I even used a nice cutter tool to make clean cuts, but it lined up good. All you got to do is just make sure you line up where your exhaust bracket is, give it a little mark, give it a cut, but it went on seamlessly. I just used a hand cutoff tool, no power tools needed. Kept it going, get myself a nice clean cut, and the pieces fit right on. The clamp is very high quality. The pipe that goes to the exhaust hanger is plenty long. The tips look great, and they just bolt right on with a 10 mil. And listen to this.